How to log into L.L.Bean credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in L.L.Bean credit card login and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna find different website options. Click on this one website option, L.L.Bean credit card login or apply. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and fill this. Firstly, type in the user ID. If you want to save your user ID, check in for the option of remember my user ID. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on sign on, and just for that you will be logged into your account. Likewise, if you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of get started and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into your L.L.Bean credit card account online. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.